Welcome to Drive Time, where we bring you the most exciting machines on two wheels. Today, we take you deep into the rebirth of a true classic, the 2025 Honda VTX. After years of anticipation, Honda has finally revived one of its most iconic cruiser series, and the results are nothing short of thrilling. The all-new VTX combines old-school muscle with cutting-edge innovation. Whether you're a long-time fan of the VTX or new to the world of power cruisers, this is a bike that demands attention. A brief legacy of the VTX Series 050. The original Honda VTX, launched in the early 2000s, was Honda's bold answer to American muscle cruisers. Known for its massive V-twin engine and aggressive stance, the VTX series built a loyal following. Riders loved its raw torque, reliability, and unmistakable road presence. However, as emissions norms and rider preferences evolved, the VTX quietly faded from the market, until now. The 2025 VTX revives that legacy but with a modern soul. Design and aesthetics, muscle with modern flow. 2 o'clock. The 2025 Honda VTX is a visual beast. Retaining its muscular cruiser profile, the new VTX adds sharper angles, LED lighting, and more aerodynamic contours. The front features a redesigned LED headlamp nestled inside a chiseled nacelle, while the rear sports a minimalist fender and sleek LED tail unit. Available in bold colors like matte black, candy red, and deep pearl blue, the new VTX doesn't just ride with power, it looks the part too. The attention to detail is remarkable, from the tank-mounted digital console to the premium finishes on the engine covers and footboards. It maintains the cruiser heritage while bringing a futuristic street presence. Engine and performance, a roaring upgrade. 330. Under the tank, the 2025 VTX carries a new 1,850 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, completely redesigned for modern emissions and performance standards. This new engine churns out an impressive 112 horsepower and a massive 130 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful cruisers in its class. Throttle response is instant and power delivery remains smooth across the rev range. Whether cruising at low RPMs or opening up on highways, the VTX responds with authority. Honda has also added a new 6-speed transmission with smoother gear ratios for better highway cruising and city agility. Riding experience, built for the open road. 450. The new VTX rides like a dream. Thanks to a low-slung chassis and improved center of gravity, it offers excellent balance and comfort, even at high speeds. The bike is supported by a new dual rear shock setup and a large front fork for maximum shock absorption. Cruise control, riding modes, Tour, Sport, Rain, and throttle-by-wire come as standard, giving riders more control over their experience. Whether you're on a weekend escape or a long-distance tour, the VTX delivers a plush and confident ride. Tech and features, modern amenities meet classic feels. 6 o'clock. Honda didn't stop at performance and looks. The 2025 VTX comes loaded with tech. The digital instrument cluster is clean and informative, offering Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, and customizable themes. You also get keyless ignition, USB-C charging, and a smartphone integration system for calls, music, and maps. Safety is covered by dual-channel ABS, traction control, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Every feature has been designed to enhance convenience without taking away the classic cruiser vibe. Fuel efficiency and maintenance, practical muscle. 7 o'clock. Despite its size and performance, Honda has tuned the 2025 VTX for efficiency. It offers a respectable fuel economy of around 17 to 18 km/h, thanks to a refined fuel injection system and lighter engine components. The 22-liter fuel tank ensures you get long stretches of riding without frequent stops. When it comes to maintenance, Honda keeps things simple and affordable. With its reliable engineering and extensive dealer network, VTX owners won't be spending their weekends in repair shops. Final thoughts, the VTX is back. 740. The 2025 Honda VTX isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. a statement that Honda still knows how to dominate the cruiser market with style, muscle, and innovation. For those looking for a true cruiser that blends classic roots with modern performance, this machine ticks all the boxes. This is drive time, and we believe the VTX is more than just a comeback, it's a cruiser revolution. Would you like a YouTube thumbnail prompt, titles, or description with hashtags for this video next?